Off the bar, I'm too persistent. Whipping comment, no cast. Get it on my own, no collab. But a bar with me, that's a body bag. Yo people, we telling them shit about my land jazz back again with another reaction. Right now we got Flight Reacts making random noises requested by Maiden. I'm live on Twitch right now, and this Dunny is an Aiden Ross fan, fam. You know what I'm saying? If you want, bro, you know what I'm saying, pause the stream, read whatever you want to read and that, fam. He's wilding out. Well, he said I should react to this one. And we all know Flight, fam. He's a likable guy, fam. You know what I'm saying? He's a genuine guy, but he's just, I don't know, he's just a weird specimen sometimes, fam. He just had weird traits about him, and right now we got him making random ass noises, so let's get into it, fam. You know what I'm saying? You see, for Flight, that's even normal. For Flight, that's absolutely normal. That's just a laugh, fam. You know what I'm saying? For him, it's absolutely normal. The thing is about these streams, bro, if he comes on, he smokes his blunt, his spliff or whatever, then hops on these games and just absolutely wiles out, fam. You know what I'm saying? Hey, this is a classic. This one's a classic. This one's a classic. This is a classic. Oh my days. Man, like old school Flight, you know. I don't think he's even making noise. I think.
I say more fine that they wear.
Yo.
What? What? Huh? Huh? What? What? Huh?
What the hell? I don't know what 2K, oh, someone said 2K, I don't know what year of Flight this was from, you know what I'm saying, but I definitely wasn't watching Flight these times, son. But yeah, man said this is OG Flight and that, fam, you know what I'm saying?
Cap, amazing Cap.
This dude is elite, man.
Cap, amazing Cap.
How do you have 3 emotions in like half a second? Bruv, what?
Cap, amazing Cap.
No, it was 4 even. It was 4. It was 4.
Ring.
Hey, that dance move is elite, blood. That dance move is elite, blood. Come on.
Flight, bro.
Better than the rest. She don't know what's for you with her, she tryna rap.
And be in denial. Another case.
What the fuck?
Hey, shout out Fly, fam. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Fly, blood. Is it Jay? Oh, man, like Fly, man. The guy's just wavy, blood. He's a wavy character, but he just has moments like these that just makes a guy so entertaining, blood. Like, I feel like it's 40% him realizing what he's doing, and then the rest of the 60, blood, is just his random antics, fam. You know what I'm saying? What the? Yeah, I'm gone, fam. In a bit, people, blood. That was Flight Reacts making random noises. Yeah. In a bit, man. In a bit. Bar, I'm too persistent. Whipping comment, no cast. Get it on my own, no collab. But a bar with me, that's a body bag. Your mans want smoke, then he leaves with a toe tag. Whole squad hit with a double mag Glock. Got left in the street and the body's getting chucked. Bullets with names and your shit's getting popped. Better be with me and the bag's getting cocked. Still gotta chase the bag, humble. Ain't gotta brag in the league on my own, and my stats getting flagged. Hit me for the feet, got verses in stats. Come through like the queen, gotta pay that tax. Premium sir.